Food and accommodation are essential part of the adventure trekking in the Himalayas. Getting the right nutrition and comfortable beds will ensure an awesome trekking experience. Every trekker must learn about the food on the Everest Base Camp Trek before they start their trek. The energy required for trekking the magical landscape of the Himalayas depends upon your food intake. The tea house along the trek offer homely meals and cozy accommodation. You will get limited variety on the menu, but the food is super delicious. The trail of spectacular trek passes through the remote landscapes. Hence, the food ingredients need to get carried by yaks and porters to the village along the trail. The trekkers will get offered 3 meals each day. For breakfast, you can have a toast, pancake, eggs, cereals like oat porridge, muesli, cornflakes, etc. And trekkers can stop at various tea houses along the trail for lunch. For the lunch and dinner, they served dal bhat, a Nepali set meal which consists of rice, lentils, spinach, vegetable curry, and pickle. Likewise, pizza, burger, pasta, noodles, spring roll, momo, potatoes are available throughout the treks. Garlic soup is a great dish that helps you to tackle altitude sickness in the high altitude. Furthermore, dinner gets served in the dining area around a large heating stove. And of course, you can enjoy different kind of hot drinks like tea, coffee, hot chocolate, lemon ginger, etc. And carrying yourself snacks, tidbits and energy bars are highly recommended. Your question can be, is the food fresh? There is no guarantee of the freshness of the food in the Everest region. This stunning trek passes through the remote landscapes. All the food items get transported from outside the region. However, it's healthy and delicious. Another question can be, is meat available along the trek? The meat dishes are available at the tea house along the region as well. However, you should not eat meat dishes at this high altitude, since the meat products are generally carried by the porter after being flown to Lukla. It is not properly refrigerated. Hence, the meat products are not fresh or the freshness remains unknown. Since the slaughtering of animals is not allowed in the region, all the meat products came to the Everest region from outside. Another important question is, how is the drinking water facilities along the trek? The tap water along the trek is unsuitable for drinking for the trekkers. Bottled mineral water available throughout the trek, and it is quite expensive. And avoiding buying bottled water, you are saving environment too. So we suggest you to use water purification tablets to purify the tap water to drink. Regular hydration is essential during the Everest Base Camp Trek as it helps to tackle altitude sickness. You should drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Lukla is the gateway to the Everest region. The trail of spectacular trek takes you along the settlement of Sherpa villages, and here are some short clips of videos and photos of the accommodation and route of Everest Base Camp Trek. Overall, facilities provided on the trek will be better than what you are expecting. For more information, contact us. We will help you to organize the trek as you want within your budget on your date. Cheers. See you in the Himalayas.